MeghalayaPost.news.
The Regional Institute of Advanced Studies (RIAS) kabadan hanong Port Town Shopping Complex Riboy District kakad admission niya kisamla puli kibapa pentben haga postgraduate diploma in computer applications katorik bakhadu kano haga arpsan tarik ujun arajar arpun rio kabadan pediang tang arpongul ya kijungtip bakhambenya pila banpun hagitegi nomor badan haneng.
Menteri Badai Pej ya ketenat pule puti uba Lahkmen rumbui menta kesngi ula penpau ba ke Jynjar ki pajba na ke Jingdheng kali hanong ba Shillong kadai ke Jing ke ba Jynjar ban Weng ne pendu no da ke ba ongru ba kum kine ki Jingdheng kali kata ru hak baro ki jaka balong lum bat ke ba Shitom ban penbej na ke Jingbom don ki jaka ki puta ban penhe ya kasrok. Habakren halor kene kamat uba rumbui ula pensrem ru ya kenong ba Shillong kum ke jelas sikim ha ke ba kidon hadu nyopo ar hajatli ki kali ki barong batmi tang hapo ki laisingi kino ki jella ne ke jaka balong lum ha ke perthei ki mat ya ke ju ke Jing na ke Jingdheng kali batang hapo ki sausingi hasikim kidon hadu nyopo ar hajatli ki kali ki balej hasikim bat ke jaru ha Shillong kum ju ke ba Jynjar ban Weng Ïaka Jingdheng ki kali bat kadai ke jaka ke balong lum bat ke ba Jynjar ban penhe ya ke serok na ke Jingbom don ki jaka ban penhe ula pruit dakru wat la ki pajba ki mat ya ke Jingdheng kali na ke por syakapor bat ke Sorkar ru ke simkhia da ke ba pruit dak da ke Sorkar ke ba lawanra kum ki Shillong bypass ke Western bypass bat ke temuru bentei ya ke surok flyover na polo Shaniu Shillong bat ke temuru ban siam jaka ban sna ya ke surok ban penyeso na jawai Shillong bat sedu Shaniu Shillong ban penduna ya ke Jingdheng kali.
See, in all the hill station, all over the world, that there is a problem of traffic congestion. You have seen 4 days back in Sikkim, 72,000 vehicles are going to Sikkim in 3 days. So in Shillong also, congestion is there, and this congestion is a permanent. It is very difficult for us to resolve it. But what is the solution? The solution is that we have that Shillong bypass, we have Western bypass, and the government of Meghalaya is also planning to build the flyover from Polo area till New Shillong. And the government also is trying to get a land and get sanction from Jawai Shillong road connecting to New Shillong. So these are all the measures which the government did. But if the government get land, the government will surely expand. But we have a problem even to make a 4-lane from Rhino Point to that junction. We have a problem. So land is a problem, but this is not only in the state of Meghalaya, it is all over the world. All over the world, in all the hill station, there is a problem of traffic congestion. So ring road is a solution, bypass is a solution, and more importantly, the best solution is that the government have taken Honorable Chief Minister have taken decision that New Shillong, whether you like or like, is a reality. I'm very happy with the progress of the work of New Shillong Township, where all the amenities have been tried to provide. So this is one of the solution. But if that will be a permanent solution, no. Unless we have a basic sense of responsibility ourselves, sense of ownership of all the thing, and sense of cooperation with the government is very difficult.
MeghalayaPost.news.